welcome, it's Gilla Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this nice little canvas that I intend to gift. It's always nice to give your art as a gift for no particular reason. It doesn't have to be a special occasion, birthday or wedding, Christmas, whatever. It can be just gift time. So I'm thinking that I'd like to do a little flip, probably don't need that big, a flip cut pour onto this and then work in some extra special bits after it. I've actually mixed bit of pigment. I was doing something else and it's what was left over, this ginger spice, and I actually mixed the pigment just with my normal pouring medium. Like I said, it was for a previous piece, but I'm going to use it on the base of this particular cup pour. Oops, oh, there you go. So that's just my white. It does look a little bit thick. Both of them look a bit thick. I could water it down, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just squeezing. I don't want them to come out in lines or anything. I want them to be a bit sort of come out like a stone effect. Just did a previous pour and it come out looking like a stone bench top type thing. It was really lovely. So I'm going to use up this pigment. I don't normally, I don't very often use pigments. I have done lots of times. Probably because I'm just lazy and don't like to have to make all my paints up. Well, husband said, you're not lazy, you just haven't got the time. So that was a really nice thing he said to me. So yeah, I'm not lazy, I haven't got the time. Okay, I'm going to do a couple of stirs around in this to make it into a caramelly. Ooh, I hope I haven't stuffed that up now, and I'm going to give this a flip. It might end up that I've got too much deep colour in it to actually use it as my base. I wanted to use it as the actual base for something I was going to try. Looking for inspiration, people, every day. So I've asked before in previous video, if you've got any ideas, what you'd like to see on my channel, I'm all ears. I am all ears. I'm going to just put a bit on my corners. So that is your basic flip cup. I'm not sure the names that dirty flip cup, an open flip cup, I'm not sure of all the names, particular names. I know it's just what somebody's made up in the beginning, so I've just flipped a cup with paint in it. Rightio, kind of, yes, so that was what spiced ginger, I think. Let's have a look at this. Just take it nice and slow, no hurry. Just enjoy the process. That's more what this is for, really, is paint therapy. If you get to sell some of your pieces, then wonderful. But if you're just doing it for yourself and the pleasure of doing it, which is how and why I started, was just for myself. I never intended on having a YouTube channel. So see, you just never know what opens up for yourself, do you, when you try different things. So there you go. Now, I might not get across to that corner. Maybe I need to squirt a bit of white on there so it will fill my corner up. Or I could use that corner, I guess, to do something different from it. Maybe, yeah, I'll do that. Actually, yeah, I'll just recenter the paint. Maybe I'll use this corner to actually do something different. I'm going to use my fingers here. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. Well, in fact, there's no rules. That's the only rule. The only rule is there's no rules. So there you go. Right, look at that lovely. It's like stone bench top effect you get from that. Always start without grabbing my cloth. Maybe just orange and black. Let's just try this. I just wanted to try this particular black to see if it swiped nicely, like left lacy effect swiped. I'm just trying it. So we'll give it a go. Flow. Just got a raggedy old soft plastic file divider that I've used a million times. Well, probably not a million, but not sort of coming into the laciness that you would get if that was Amsterdam black. It would like straight away lace up. That's not really doing anything, but that hasn't got no Floetrol, no silicone, nothing special in it. Let's give it a whiz. That's kind of a really nice soft background. I'm thinking maybe I should just blow this out with my tiny little bit more, so I've got enough to blow out. Don't think I want to put the orange in there. I think that might kind of, what colour? Maybe I'll try a bit of red. Not sure if that's the right decision either. Sometimes you've just got to try red, and I might squirt a bit of the, this is the Amsterdam white with Australian Floetrol. So this might work. I'm going off tether here now. Let me just try something. Sometimes you have to go out of your comfort zone and experiment, find different things, you know, because that's how the next best thing or the next good thing is found, isn't it, by experimentation. So got a little bit of the black. This is the Amsterdam black with Australian Floetrol. Just want to see if me blowing that out, not with my just with this straw, with the wow, oh my goodness, that looks really effective with that. Gone a bit out of shape. Let me blow this now. Wow. Probably the better idea would have been to have blown that out first and then added this, because that's all out of shape. Oh, itchy nose. I always get an itchy nose when I'm doing that. That's probably left a bit too much there. Turn it around a bit. Let's see. Kind of, that is gorgeous there, but I've kind of, it's gone a bit haywire. Just trying to think, would a skewer help to separate, make it look the lacing in that is gorgeous. It's kind of a bit AWOL. Maybe it'd be better all blown out. I might give that a few minutes to think about it. Might bring you down and have a look at this lacing before I decide whether I'm not sure about that. What do you guys think? So this is my whirly bits. I just did a few of those up into the flip cup pour just to break it up a bit, and I suppose so it doesn't look as though they're two completely different paintings. I'm not sure. I mean, I love the effects. Look at the little that black with the red and orange is actually gorgeous. And I've got some absolutely gorgeous little clusters, cells in there. So I'm not sure to leave that or to push it a bit further and blow it out upwards. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think? I guess for the time being, I'm going to just leave that. It's something a little bit different. I think adding those skewered bits out into it kind of at least, I don't know. I'm not sure about this one. Give me your thoughts. I'd be very grateful. Thanks so much. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to see how it dries. I'm just going to leave it there. I think. All right. Take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, please, please, please ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline. Do not suffer in silence for any reason. There is always someone there to help you, and life is worth living. Trust me. I will say bye for now. I think I'm going to kick on with a bit of embellishment because I think this paint is too thick here and I think it will crack. So if I use my balloon to embellish, the balloon also helps me take off some paint. So I'm going to use this, oh look at that, flattened out balloon that's gone completely flat. I am definitely going to probably right after this one do those colours on their own, because that's, oh look at that now. Maybe I can just add, oh, this paint's too thick up there to get the, I thought it would transfer onto the, just a little bit did look, so that's not too bad. Yeah, I want to do those colours. They're absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see if this will transfer somewhere. Lovely. Just that little bit is nice. Ooh, gorgeous. Wow. That's so much better. Definitely so much better. Loving that now. Really love that. So there you go. It did need for me to do that ballooning because it helped me take some paint off, and I know that that probably would have just cracked. Oh my goodness, I just love the colours now. I absolutely love it. And just for that, remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. You do it what your heart desires. So oh gosh, have fun. I absolutely am loving that now. Thank you so much, my lovelies, for joining me.